Hello friends, welcome on 100 on 100 in Eco platform. This session you'll get some tips on perfect competition. So standard 10th and 12th both can listen. A few characteristics of perfect competition. Very large number of buyers and sellers. Because of very large number of buyers and sellers, the seller becomes a price taker as he cannot influence the price. Similarly, buyers also cannot influence the price. Homogeneous product. Because of the fact that all the products that are sold are identical, there prevails only single price in the market for a product. Freedom of entry and exit into the industry. This leads to every seller or every firm earning only normal profits in the long run. And perfect knowledge on the part of buyers and sellers leads to once again uniform price prevailing in the market.